Hello there, I am Joachim from the Finman channel and welcome to the last part of my barn roof fixing project. As you see, it's done. And in this last video I'm going to show you how I finished it. I recorded about 3 hours. I have footage for 3 hours, but almost 3 hours of that footage was without microphone. I forgot to put on the microphone every time. Almost. There are a couple of places where it's on and I'm probably gonna use that sound. But other than that, it's probably gonna be just a video without sound but with music or something like that. But anyways, I hope you like it, and without further ado, let's go. Day 7. As you see, I haven't been able to do much. It's been raining for a couple of days, but finally I'm able to go up there and continue this. Tomorrow is Monday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday, and tomorrow, a week ago, I started doing this whole thing. I was kind of hoping that it would have been ready already a couple of days ago, but it's been raining and the roof gets really slippery when it's rained, so safety first. Now I'm gonna continue, and that's basically grinding. I'm gonna grind the rusts away, paint on, change some nails and go onwards. Yeah, let's continue. There, the project is done and it was a success in my opinion. Like most of my projects, I had no idea how to do this. but that has not stopped me before. But now it's done, and now I'm able to start doing project inside the barn. That was the first step I had to do before I can do other stuff inside there. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff in my project, please subscribe to the channel for the future content. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye.